Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I want to share with you how to make homemade brownies. I had sent out my honey bunny to go get me brownie mix the other day and there was nothing left in the stores. So I decided to make it at home. It's delicious. These are my chewy brownies. They're just like fudgy and wonderful, and I know you guys are gonna love them. So if you want to see how they come together, just keep watching. Okay, so to make this, you're gonna need some unsalted butter that's melted but cooled, some brown sugar, granulated sugar, eggs at room temperature, some espresso powder. If you don't have it, you can leave it out or substitute it for really strong coffee. You're gonna need some salt, a cup of chocolate chips, and then in here I have cocoa powder, flour, and then I don't know if I said vanilla extract, but you're also gonna need that. You're gonna need to, I used nonstick cooking oil. You can use unsalted butter just to grease your pan and preheat your oven to 350. Okay, I'm gonna do everything with my handheld whisk. You can use an electric mixer. I don't mind doing it by hand. So to my unsalted butter, I'm gonna add in both types of sugar. I'm gonna give this a good mix until everything is nicely combined. Also gives me a nice workout. All right, this is nicely combined, so I'm gonna add in my eggs and give those a nice stir. And then also, while I'm at it, I'm gonna add in my vanilla, about a tablespoon or so. Okay, everything's nicely combined. I set that aside. So to my flour and cocoa powder, had a little brain fart for a second. I just added some salt, and I'm gonna add in my espresso powder. And again, if you don't have any, you can totally omit it. I just think it really brings out the flavor in your chocolate, or you can just add a little bit of really strong coffee. I'm gonna give this a stir. Try not to make a massive mess. Just a rough stir. I'm gonna add this and I'm gonna fold it in with my spatula. And I don't wanna work it with my whisk because I don't wanna overwork the batter, otherwise it's gonna give you a really tough brownie, and we don't want that. We want a really nice and gooey brownie. All right. So my batter is nice and ooey gooey. To this, I'm gonna add in about a cup of chocolate chips. I'm using a mixture of mini ones and regular ones, semi-sweet, just because that's what I had on hand. Again, you can totally omit this if you don't have it, or you can just take like a bar of chocolate and cut it up and add that into it. So whatever floats your boat and whatever you have on hand. Okay. That's good. I don't want to overmix it. So now let's set this aside and get our pan. Okay, our pan is already sprayed with some nonstick cooking oil. I'm gonna set all this out. Just gonna smooth it out. You're gonna bake these for about 25 to 30 minutes. Or until they're cooked through at 350 degrees. And then you can go ahead and enjoy with some ice cream. Just enjoy yourself. So I hope you guys found this helpful. For those of us who don't have cake mix on hand, the brownie mix on hand, this is a perfect alternative and it's delicious. Bye guys.